Subserve and De Los Santos. Players ready? Management ready? Timers ready? Beginning of the first quarter of the game. Nakuha ni jersey number 5, partner sa jump. No victory foul by Nesha. Pass to Leaño. Leaño pass to Lopez. Jump. Good goal. 2 points. Lopez. Twice looking for ang basketballeros. Pagkatalo po ang salang wagalang ay nagtako kayo sa laban. Still by Leaño. Pass to Lopez. Lopez laid up. Good goal. 2 points. Lopez. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Nakuha ni Lopez sa pass to Leaño. Leaño. Pass to Reynan siya sa gitna. Jump. No good for 2 points. Reynan siya. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Inbound by Vanessa. Vanessa sa liga play. Score by Leaño. Bagay Pastor Panas sa tres. No good. Nakuha ni. And no good. Nakuha ni. Pass to Lopez. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Still by Leaño. Leaño lays up. Good for 2 points. Leaño. Reserve time out. Last 3 minutes and 22 seconds. No good. Nakali rebound by Samson. Pass to Leaño. Reserve time out. Gomez. No good. Rebound by Leaño. Sa ilalim. Inbound by Vanessa. Pass to San Diego. Back to Vanessa. Last 3 minutes. Pass to Mario sa press. No good. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Lopez. Lopez drives the pass to Gomez. Sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Vanessa pass to De Los Santos. Napitan na bola. Still by Renencia. Pass to Leaño. Fakes the pass to Lopez. Pass to Leaño. Good for 2 points. Leaño. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to Vanessa. Back to no good. Rebound by Reynancia. Reynancia. Nagmamadali. Behind the back pass. Save ball. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 18. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Shot clock 18. Pass to Gomez. To Leaño to Lopez. Jump. No good. Nakuha ni Samson. Bumangga sa ilalim. Offensive foul. Samson. First personal foul. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Last 1 minute and 57 seconds. Inbound by De Los Santos. Pass to San Diego. Drives pass to Vanessa sa tres. No good. Inbound by San Diego. San Diego pass to Mario. Shot clock 10. Vanessa drives to good. Vanessa again. Good for 2 points. Vanessa. Last 1 minute and 36 seconds. Pass to Leaño. Haras by De Los Santos. Shot clock 12. Good for 3 points. Reynancia. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Vanessa haras by Pastor Santiago. John Good for 2 points. Malio. Jason Garcia. And Lopez, the last 58 seconds. 16 the second shot clock. Pass to Sable. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Pass to Gomez at rest. No victory by De Los Santos. Last 50 seconds. Sable. Last 47 seconds. Inbound by De Los Santos. Pass to Vanessa. Pass to Mario. Last 45 seconds. Back to Vanessa. Vanessa harassed by Leandro. Shot clock 14. Last 39 seconds. Pass to Gomez. Gomez, pass to Reynancia. Pass to Leandro drives. Pass sa kalaban. Last 30 seconds. Vanessa din sa foul. Jersey number Samson. Second personal foul. First foul. Last 27 seconds. Last 27 seconds. Nakuha ni Leandro. Leandro lumipad. Good for 2 points. Leandro. Last 20 seconds. Vanessa pass to Mario. Mario lumipad din. Good for 2 points. Mario. Last 10 seconds. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia sa 3. Last 5 seconds. Good for 3 points. Running time to. Base na lang! Inbound by Salamero. Pass to Masinas. Masinas sa pass to Balta. Pass to Reynancia sa 3. Good for 3 points, Reynancia. Inbound by Mario, pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos setting a play, pass to Chin. Chin sa 3. No good. Rebound by Baita. Steal by De Los Santos. Albato. Nagkakadali. Drive to Rebound. Good for 2 points. Albato, inbound by Masaya, pass to Masinas. Last 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Masinas. Harus by Leo. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 15. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia pass to Basaya. Basaya jump. Good for 2 points. Basaya. Last 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Leo. Pass to Mario. Mario jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. No good. De Los Santos again. Takes jump. Good for 2 points. De Los Santos last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Basaya pass to Salamero. Shot clock 20. Salamero setting a play. Pass to Reynancia. Pass to Baita. Sa gilid jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. Turnover last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Albato, haras kay Martinez. Albato, pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos, drive to Lumangga. There is a good for 2 points. De Los Santos. Inbound by Basaya. Pass to Baita. Baita nagkakaroon pass to Reynancia. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Reynancia, pass to Salamero. Salamero attacks. No good. Rebound by Mario. Mario, para sa Basaya. Mario pass to Chin. No good. Rebound. De Los Santos Lumangga. Good for 2 points. De Los Santos. 49-14. Basket for Leros. Pass to Masinas. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Masinas sa derecha. Jump. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Pass to good for 2 points. After last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to Masinas. Masinas harus by Leo. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Masinas setting a play. Shot clock 17. Pinasa kay Baita. Kung Baita drives. Pinasa kay Salamero. John! Beautiful 2 points. Salamero. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Malyo. Clock 20. Malyo setting a play. Drives. Nakuha ni Masinas ang bola. Masinas dire-diretso. Pass to Reynancia. Good for 2 points. Reynancia. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Inbound by Badong. Pass to Baita. John, good for 2 points. Baita. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. And player haras by Masinas. Jersey number 16. Foul Masinas. First personal foul, first team foul. Pass to and player. Shot clock 16. And player drives. Pass to Abato. Regular violation. Inbound by Basea. Pass to Gomez. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Telo Santos setting a play. Haras by Masinas. There is a foul. Masinas. Second personal foul, second team foul. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 16.
Alim na maganda. Mamamatay ka pa dyan.
Aray ko, mamamatay.
Shot clock 16.
Hemorrhage na. Okay, go.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to Chin. Sa tres. No good. Nakuha ni Abato. Abato drives. No good. Rebound by Chin. Pass to Mayo. Mayo John. No good. Rebound by Jelasan. Tapos tumangka. Traveling violation of the design. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Shot clock 16. No good. Basea. No good. Nakani Malyo. Pass to Abato. Nakamedalay. Pass to the Santos drive to the isa. Good for 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Salamero. Last 45 seconds. Back to Gomez. Gomez. Nagawa madali. Lumipad. No good. Last 36 seconds. Shot clock 13. Gomez. Pass to Salamero. Jump. No good. Masinas. Jump. No good. Nakani Baita. Pass to Masinas. Last 35 seconds. Good for 2 points. Masinas. Last 20 seconds. Pass to Malyo. Pass to De Los Santos. Last 13 seconds. De Los Santos goes up. Good for 2 points. Last 5 seconds. Basera. Pass to Salamero. Last 5. Good for 2 points. Basera na lang. 39. Inbound by Vanessa. Pass to San Diego. Back to Vanessa. Back to San Diego. Jump. Good for 2 points. San Diego. Reynancia. Pass to Leano. Pass to Lopez. Sa tres. No good. Rebound by Samson. There's a foul. De Los Santos. First personal foul. First team foul. Samson for his first row. Good for 1 point. Samson. Samson for his last row jumpers ready. Complete shot for 1-2 Samson. Rebound by De Los Santos, pass to Vanessa. Vanessa nagkatapasahan, shot clock 18. Vanessa pass to Malio, pass to De Los Santos, shot clock 13. No good, rebound by Samson. Samson nagtama na rin. There's a foul, basket out. Foul, De Los Santos, second personal foul, second team foul. Last 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Bonus shot by Ryan 2.
Aray ko.
Samson. No good. Nakasal Diego. Pass to Chip. Pass to De Los Santos. Good for 2 points. De Los Santos the last 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Pass to Leandro. Leandro. Pass by Santiago. Shot clock 15. Gomez stop. No good. There's a foul. Samson. Third personal foul.
Aray ko.
There's a foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Gomez. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sabret. Samson out. Dasaya in. First personal foul. First team foul. One shot, 1 and 2. De Los Santos. No good. Second row. Jumpers ready. No good. Rebound by Basaya. Pass to Lopez. Lopez na madali. Pass to Leandro. Good for 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to De Los Santos. Last 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Reynald siya. Pass to Leandro. Pass to Lopez. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Vanessa. Drives. Jump. No good. Nakuha ni Reynald siya. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass to Gomez. Gomez drives. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Last 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Santiago. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos drives, lays up, no good. Rebound by Gomez. Last 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Gomez. Pass to Reynald. Shot clock 16. Good for 3 points. Reynald. Last 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Pass to Santiago. Santiago harassed by Vaseno Wood. Rebound by Gomez. Last 2 minutes. Official one score 52-24. In favor of Basketballeros. Malio. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Pass to De Los Santos. Lays up. No good. Rebound by Basaya. Pass to Gomez. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Gomez. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Jump. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Last 1 minute and 36 seconds. Vanessa is still by Lopez. Pass to Leandro. Leandro sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Reynald siya. Shot clock 15. No good. Tyler Trent. Dito sa management.